Is there life beyond Earth? When we gaze at the night sky, the stars are not mere specks of light in a cold, indifferent void. They are beacons, guiding us on a journey into the vastness of the cosmos. The universe, vast and shrouded in mystery, harbors questions that have perplexed humanity since time immemorial. Among these questions, one stands out with an intensity that ignites our imagination and fuels our deepest curiosity. Are we truly alone in this boundless universe? If we were to believe that we are the only beings in existence, might we be underestimating the boundless creativity of the divine, as well as the sheer immensity of the cosmos? Could it be that the truth about the universe is far beyond our wildest imaginations? What if, in the dark recesses of the cosmos, there are beings who are watching us? Perhaps they have already visited our world, attempted to communicate with us, but we are not yet attuned to their presence. The universe, with all its wonders and mysteries, is waiting for us to grow, to evolve, and to find the keys that will unlock its deepest secrets. Life on other planets. Earth, the one and only planet we know to harbor life, is a precious jewel amidst the endless ocean of the cosmos. But are we truly the only living beings in this vast expanse? The stars above us are not mere distant points of light. They could be portals to worlds beyond, worlds where life may thrive. The discovery of countless exoplanets in recent decades has opened a new frontier, suggesting that life may exist in other corners of the universe, on planets with conditions similar to Earth. Take, for example, Kepler 452b, an exoplanet dubbed Earth's twin, with a climate and temperature comparable to our own, possibly containing liquid water, the essential ingredient for life. If life can exist elsewhere, could we truly be the only life forms in this boundless universe? The Panspermia hypothesis: who sows the seeds of life? Perhaps life didn't just emerge here on Earth. The seeds of life could have been scattered from distant places, carried on asteroids, comets, or even from other planets. Worlds where civilizations may have reached far greater scientific and technological advancements. The Panspermia hypothesis suggests that life may have been seeded from far-off worlds, with microorganisms and life's building blocks traveling across the cosmos, reaching our planet. Recent studies have shown that microorganisms can survive in the vacuum of space, which strengthens the idea that life could have been transferred from comets and asteroids from far-flung corners of the universe. So, if we are not the only beings, might we simply be the seeds of life that were planted on a planet, one among countless others scattered across the vast cosmos? The probability of life. Forming randomly. The conditions necessary for life to arise by chance are not simple, but neither are they entirely impossible. In this immense universe, with billions of planets and eons of development, could it be that life has spontaneously arisen elsewhere? Take Mars, for instance, a planet close to us, where scientists have found traces of water and organic compounds necessary for life. Research indicates that life may have once existed on Mars, and, under the right conditions, it could emerge again. Seeding life on other planets. Could we be the result of life that was seeded from a distant planet, brought here by cosmic beings whose knowledge surpasses our understanding? If that is the case, might these extraterrestrial civilizations have visited Earth thousands of years ago? A peculiar example is the crop circles, intricate patterns that appear in fields, which some theorize might be messages from extraterrestrials. Along with them are the giant statues of Easter Island, where some hypotheses suggest they could be remnants of an alien civilization. Why haven't we met them? Despite the many signs pointing to the existence of extraterrestrial life, we have yet to make contact. Perhaps we are not yet evolved enough to comprehend their presence. A perfect example is our slow progression in technology and our limited understanding of the universe. Alien civilizations may have far surpassed us in both science and technology, and they may be attempting to communicate with us in ways we have yet to recognize. We need time to develop both intellectually and spiritually before we can fully receive and understand their messages. When humanity reaches a certain level of awareness, that may be the moment when the universe opens up, and we finally meet them. Vibrational frequencies and energy. Everything in the universe, from the tiniest particles to the grandest galaxies, vibrates at its own frequency. These frequencies form the very fabric of existence, and it is possible that extraterrestrial civilizations exist at different vibrational frequencies, frequencies that we are currently unable to detect. They may be operating on a higher frequency of energy, invisible to our current instruments and understanding. But as we evolve, so too will our ability to attune ourselves to these frequencies, allowing us to perceive them and, perhaps, to make contact. Conclusion: the question of whether extraterrestrial life exists is not merely one of scientific curiosity. It is a question that touches the very core of our existence. Are we alone in the universe? Or are we part of a grand, interconnected web of life stretching across the cosmos? The search for answers to this question is not just a quest for knowledge. It is a journey into the heart of our own humanity, a journey that invites us to expand our minds, our hearts, and our understanding of the universe itself. As we venture further into the mysteries of space, we must remember that the universe is not just a place of distant stars and galaxies. It is a reflection of our own inner journey, a journey toward awakening, discovery, and connection. As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, gazing into the vast expanse of the universe, we are reminded that the answers we seek may lie not in the stars themselves, but within us, in our capacity for curiosity, our thirst for knowledge, and our ability to embrace the mysteries that surround us. The journey to uncover the truth about extraterrestrial life is not just a search for other beings, but a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. Perhaps in time, when humanity has evolved both in intellect and spirit, we will open our hearts to the cosmic companions who have watched us from afar, waiting for the moment when we are ready to embrace the boundless wonders of the universe. Until then, we continue our search, our quest to understand our place in the grand tapestry of existence. If you have journeyed with me through the vastness of space, exploring the possibility of life beyond our world, share your thoughts with us. Don't forget to subscribe, and together, let's continue to unravel the mysteries that lie beyond the stars. Until then, may the universe guide you on your own path of discovery, and may you always look to the heavens with wonder in your heart.